Exercise 2.3, first question. In this video, I am going to give all the questions of this exercise from question number 1 up to question number 5. In this exercise, there are 5 questions. First question solution, you say. A student has initial money 500 rupees in her saving bank account and she is getting rupees 150 every month. And according to question, they are assuming that the person is saving this money also, 150 every month, and this money also she is saving along with this money. So initial amount of money she has rupees 500 and she receives every month. She receives per month. Per month she is getting again rupees 150. Then how much money will she have at the end of every month? See, at the end of amount of money at the end of first month, amount of money at the end of first month. Initially she is having 500 rupees plus first month will be 1 into 150. 150 rupees she got for only 1 month, first month. So if we multiply, you will get the answer. Same way, amount of money at the end of second month. After 2 months, how much? Initially 500 and 2 months she is getting rupees 150 2 times. First month 1 time, second time 1 month. So 2 into 150. If you multiply, you will get the answer. Then it will go on at the end of third month, 500 plus this 150 rupees she got 3 times. If you multiply and add, you will get the answer. So it will go on like this. It will go on like this. So at the end of nth month, it will be 150 plus n times 150. N times n value may be 1, n value may be 2, 3, and so on. So n is 1 after first month, n is 2 after second month, n is 3 at the end of third month, and in general 50 plus n times 150. Here n value is how much? 1, 2, 3, goes on like that. So this is the linear pattern. In this question you are asked to find what is the linear pattern. So 500 plus n times 150. So this is the linear pattern. Okay. Then so this is the linear pattern, 500 plus n times 150. N is called variable. Variable means values can change, and here you can clearly see n can take value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now question number 2. A rally starts with 120 members. Initially number of people is 120. Each hour 9 members drop out. Number of members, you will write like this: number of members drop out per hour. Drop out means decreasing. Number of members drop out per hour is 9. So number of members at the end of first hour. Number of members at the end of first hour. It will be 120 minus 1 time 9. 9 member gone. You will write here number of members at the end of first hour. Same way, number of members at the end of second hour, it will be 120 minus 2 times 9. 9 people going 2 times. After 1 hour 1 time, after 2 hours another time 9 people. Every hour 9 people going. And it will go on like this. At the end of 3 hours, it will be 120 minus 3 times 9. 9 people gone 3 times. First hour 9 people, another after second hour another 9 people, after third hour another 9 people, and it will go on like this. So at the end of nth hour, it will be 120 minus n times 9. And this is the linear pattern. Here you see, this is the linear pattern. N value how much? 1, 2, 3. You see n is changing here. N is 1, 2, 3, and so on. N is called variable. So this is the solution for the second question. Now the third question. Question number 3. Suppose the length of a rectangle is 13 centimeter. Find the area if the breadth is changing. three different cases actually. Length is fixed, length 13, and first case breadth 12 centimeter, second case breadth 10 centimeter, third case third rectangle breadth is 8. So first case area, we know area is length into breadth, so I'll write here length is 13, breadth is 12 in the first case. Second case area will be length into, you can just write suffix a1 a2 like that, length is into breadth, length is 13, breadth is 10 in the second case. Third case, see, length into breadth is area, length is 13, breadth said 8. Now we have to find the linear pattern. Linear pattern how will find, you see, 13 into this 12, I can write 12 is 2 times 6, 13 into 10 we can write 2 times 5, and here 13 into 8 we can write 2 times 4, 2 4s are 8. Now you see what is changing here, 13 is fixed, 2 also is fixed, and this number is changing. This number what it is, 4, 5 and 6. So we can make 13 into 2 into changing number, we always write n. You see here what will be n, n is 4, 5 and 6. So you can say this is the linear pattern. You see changing number we represent by n. Remember here 4, 5 and 6, that is n. So 13 is fixed, 2 is fixed, and this number is changing, we represent by n. And here n is how much, 4, 5 and 6 fixed value. Sorry, this only n can take only this three value, 4, 5 and 6, and this is the linear pattern. This is called linear pattern in terms of variable n. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 3. Question number 4 solution, you see, suppose the length of a rectangular box is 7. It is about a box, rectangular box. Box has length, breadth and height. So here length is given 7 and breadth is given 11. Length and breadth fixed. Now we are taking different box. One is with height. First case height is 5, second case 9, third case 13. So if we go on increasing like this, what will be the linear pattern, you see? So first case, what will be volume? Volume is length, breadth, height. So it is 7 into 11 into 13, first case. Second case, volume will be again same length, breadth, height, and length remaining same, breadth remaining 11 same, and height is now changing. We are taking another with, sorry, first one is 5, not 9, 13. First one is 5, second one is 9, height is 9, and third case, length, breadth, height is the volume, length 7, breadth 11, and height is taking again different 13. Now asking you find the linear pattern. You see how to find linear pattern. 7, 11 fixed. This 5 I can write 1 times 4 plus 1. You see 1 4 is a 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, correct. Here again 7 fixed, 11 fixed, 9 I can write 2 times 4 plus 1. Here 7 fixed, 11 fixed, 13 I can write 3 times 4 plus 1. So you see the linear pattern. You see all the numbers fixed here, only this number is changing. This number is 1, 2 and 3. So the linear pattern will be 7 into 11 into changing number we represent by n, n times 4 plus 1 bracket. So this will be the linear pattern. You can simplify it, it is what it is. 7 11 just 77 into 4n plus 1. This will be the linear pattern. Linear pattern. Here n is variable. Here n value how much? You see n value 1, 2, 3. If we increase more, if we go on increasing in this pattern 5, 9, 13, and in this pattern, then n will come 4, 5, 6 like that. So this is the linear pattern. Okay. Question number 5. Sharita is reading a book of 500. Initial total number of pages you will write properly. Total number I have in your notebook note I have sent. Answers are written properly. Okay, in systematic way. So initial 500 pages. She read 20 pages every day. Number of pages read per day is 20. So how many pages will be left remaining after 15 days, you see. So number of pages left after 15 days, it will be 500 decreasing. Every day reading 20 pages, so it will go on decreasing remaining pages it will go on decreasing. So 500 minus decreasing will be minus 15 times 20. So this will be the number of pages after 15 days. First day 20 pages, second day 2 into 20, third day 3 into 20, fourth day 4 into 20. So in 15, after the 15, after at the end of 15 days, it will be 15 times 20. 500 minus 15 times 20. So this will give the answer, and expressed as a linear pattern. So linear pattern, you see, number of pages left after first day, it will be 500 minus 1 time 20. At the end of second day, you will write properly. At the end of second day, 500 minus 2 times 20. At the end of third day, will remain 500 minus 3 times 20. It will go on like this in this pattern. At the end of n days will be 500 minus n times 20. So this is the linear pattern, you see. What are the values of n here? 1, 2, 3. It will go on like this. 1, 2, 3. You can put dot. So this is the linear pattern, and this is the complete solution for exercise. This is exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3.